Pilipinas take an action against Alvin kung nakikialam si Alvin dun sa legal strategy namin dalawa. Kasi ako ang kliyente ni Aldo pagkatapos makikialam ni Alvin.
Bagong, ginamos.
That would violate code of ethical standards abogado. And that is something that is actionable in our jurisdiction. Okay? So, ito yan. Yung pagiging politiko mo is not an excuse kapag gagawa ka ng kahit ano na gusto mong i-push yung political agenda mo and things like that. Kaya nga sabi ko nung last time, hindi ko alam kung nakinig ka nung live ko last time, naiintindihan ko na naghahanap ng paraan si Attorney Harry Roque para makatulong. So kung ang suggestion niya, ay ganito, ito ang suggestion ko, magpunta tayo sa local court kasi ganito. Yeah, he voiced out his suggestion. It was not taken into account, it was not taken into consideration by the legal team of Attorney Kaufman. Then that's it, ganun lang. You release your suggestion, it was not that's it, but you cannot na parang, hindi nyo kami mapipigilan na ganyan. I think that is the point when Attorney Harry Roque stepped beyond what he kasi tawag dito, you can suggest, sinabi mo na yan, ganyan, then time will tell if you are right or wrong. Because at this point, kahit ano sabihin ni Attorney Harry Roque, hindi siya ang abogado nila PRRD. And there is some ethical standard here that has to be followed. So kaya na sinasabi naman ni Attorney Harry Roque, hindi raw siya nakikialam. Kaso nga lang, yung isang lawyer naman, yun ang claim niya, hindi nakikialam ka. And sabi niya, to the point na obsessive na yung pakikialam ni Harry Roque. And that is a very, very heavy statement. Because up until this point, siya, tawag dito,
may sili tayo.
Up until this point, abogado pa rin si Attorney Kaufman ni PRRD. So, he has got the right to say whatever he is saying. Kasi, hired pa siya nila PRRD ngayon Ngayon.
So for him to come up and say things na it's a crazy scheme,
Padas.
there's really something na may pinanghuhugutan siya. Hindi naman magsasalita siguro si Attorney Kaufman. If he has nothing, di ba? Wala siyang idea about
naiintindihan ko yung argument na politiko kasi kailangan umeksena, di ba? Parang ganun Darwin yung sinasabi. Politiko kailangan umeksena. And I can understand that. And actually, yung pag-eksena niya dito is that nag-provide siya ng remedy na sa tingin niya ay maaaring i-apply. Pero, it should have stopped there. Okay, ito yung remedy na, iniisip ko na pwedeng gamitin dito, ganyan. O, tinignan nila Attorney Kaufman, I'm so sorry, but we are not going to accede with your suggestion. We find no merit in it. Sabi gano'n nila Attorney Kaufman. Actually, nagtanong din ako niyan kila ES Mejalde. Sabi nila na ES parang malabo nga gano'n. Hindi rin sila, these are Filipino lawyers. Wala namang official statement dyan sila ES Mejalde. But I got curious when I had an opportunity to talk to him. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga lawyers, iba-iba talaga sila ng opinion. Ngayon, yung opinion ni Harry Roque is just one opinion of many lawyers. Ngayon, ang problema, yung many lawyers na yun, isa lang ang abogado ni PRRD doon, si Kaufman lang. So, we can only listen to Kaufman. So, no justification about the political kinembulor will justify na okay yung ginagawa ni Attorney Harry Roque if the lawyers are already saying na no, So, I think, agree ako dito sa mga sinasabi ng mga tao dito. Nobody's really hating on Attorney Harry Roque here as much, actually. Yung mga audience na nandito are very understanding mga kay Attorney Harry Roque. That he is actually under a very stressful condition, ganyan. Pero, nobody is trying to reduce Harry Roque sa lahat ng ginawa niya or whatsoever, ganyan. But at the same time, what we want and what people here are saying, yung mga nandiyan sa comment section is saying na he should be more prudent in what he is saying. And I think also, ako sa totoo lang, hindi ko talaga bet si Attorney Harry Roque pagka nasa bakla mode siya Yung pag makulit siya, yung madami niyang sinasabi, yung mga ganun, hindi ko talaga siya bet. Pero gustong-gusto ko si Harry Roque kapag naka-lawyer mode siya. That is the only Harry Roque that I like, to be honest.
Statement, di ba?
Yeah, I mean, in fairness kay Attorney Harry Roque naman, kanina nagpapaliwanag naman siya, ay hinihiwalay niya yung sinasabi.
Bakla
Sinasabi
mode.
naman niya na ito lang yung statement. Wala naman talaga
Ay,
siyang
sa bakla
interventions. Kung sabi niya, kung sakaling ang paningin niya ni Attorney Kaufman doon ay interference, wala na daw siya magagawa, but he's just trying to, ang sinasabi niya, kailangan lang niyang i-voice out din niya yung kanyang opinion, yung legal opinion. So kung whether makikinig daw o hindi, nasa decision din naman daw yun. Which is, wow,
Yeah,
yun ang
so that's it. Ang sabi kasi ni Atty. Kaufman, nakikipag-usap si Harry Roque sa mga abogado, sa mga Dutch lawyers. So yun yung sinasabi ni Atty. Kaufman. So parang yun yung hindi niya mapapatawad. Kasi that's already interfering eh.
Kasi parang, I think if I'm not mistaken, no, if my memory serves me right, there was an instance na parang gusto ata ni Attorney Harry
Baka.
na dalhin na siya, parang kasuhan yung Dutch,
Palakas tayo.
parang it needs to be brought into the Dutch system.
Yeah, yan ang kanyang isa sa mga
Baka.
isa sa kanyang mga legal
Ang
strategy.
palakas.
Yes, where in fact, that is what Attorney Kaufman also was commenting, na crazy scheme siya kasi the Dutch system
Sila,
really
5
has nothing
minutes.
to do with what the ICC court na jurisdiction on whatsoever.
Bagoong.
Yun.
Oh, yeah, ipinaliwanag naman kanina ni Attorney Roque na ang kanyang sinasabi, this could also be a strategy kasi ang kanyang theory is
Baka.
kada walang bansa pa talaga na
Bagoong.
na gustong tumanggap kay
Yum.
kay
Pero kasi yung mga ganyan, hindi na siya dapat nag-theorize further eh.
actually yung kanyang theory.
Ito yung pakikialam eh.
Sa
Kasi
unang
parang
baka.
how did you know na
Para
walang
lumakas.
si ano
Kaya
ito?
nga,
na nga
How did you know na wala siyang parte, di ba? Ay, kasi ganito yung iniisip. Diba? Yun yung kasi, I think a lot of people fail to understand what pakikialam means.
So much.
kasi parang pinapaliwanag mo yung missing document eh. Kasi di ba sabi ni Kaufman, there is one more document that they're waiting for, kaya inaano daw, kaya nagbigay sila ng
Huwag masyadong
motion
ano.
na i-stop
Dahan-dahan
muna
ng
yung decision
pagkain.
for the interim release. And yun ang kanyang pakiwari, baka wala pa daw bansa na gustong tumanggap. Which is, I mean, sa akin naman, sumobra yata yun doon eh, sa kanyang theory.
I'm sorry to cut you off kasi yung word na pakiwari, it's not certain eh.
Bagoong is the best.
It's still
Goong
an
padas.
assumption. And assumption has no basis at all. Kasi, sabihin na lang natin, Attorney Harry Roque, at the end of the day, is still a spectator.
Yeah, whether he is one of the 6 lawyers siya sa listed sa I get your
Actually,
point.
sa Pilipinas, Darwin, di ba nga pagka ongoing na yung kaso, people cannot just talk about, ay, ganito yung di ba? So, of all people, Harry Roque must know that. So, I know that Harry Roque is probably trying to, parang make things simple and probably giving us a certain level of
Kami akong baon
expectation.
ngayon,
Unfortunately, he's not the
Para lumakas.
official person to do that. He's not the official person to do that. Kasi ano lang tayo, simple lang ng usapan eh. Abogado ka ba o hindi? Abogado ka ba ni PRRD o hindi? So if you are not, then, di ba, parang kailangan mag-defer. Kailangan mag-defer dun sa tamang tao na maaaring makapagbigay ng proper expectations dito sa kaso.
Bagoong.
Ngayon, it doesn't mean that they cannot comment on the case. It doesn't mean that they cannot talk about it at all. But of course, may expertise din naman yan si Harry Roque. They can still comment. They can still say something about it. But at the same time, they have to practice prudence. Hindi nga yung parang kagaya ng mga ginagawa nilang mga Harlicana. Kasi tinotolerate rin ni Harry Roque, sa totoo lang eh. Yung mga impropriety niya, tinotolerate rin niya yung parang, ano ba naman itong mga diskarte ni
Oh my God, so good.
Duda na ako dito. Kasi those are the things that are very unethical. And those are the things that could easily be called out by Harry Roque dito sa mga friends niya. Pero hindi ginagawa ni Harry Roque. So,
hindi na kaya yun. Hindi niya kaya ni Attorney Harry yung na i-call out niya. No, I don't think. Anyway, one last. I don't know kung na-discuss na nito. Yung one
Ah.
last point na lang na nire-raise ni Atty. Rocky. Anyway, Aldo is here. No? Ano yung bakit hindi nakakabisita
Oh my God, so good.
si Hanilet?
Ayan na. Yan ang pang-closing ceremony
Sabaw ng
natin
baka.
Oh, so advance ako.
Okay lang yan.
Ayos.
Tama ka, Darwin Closa. Pang sinimulan
Saan
mo
ka pa?
na ang pagsasara ng
Yum,
tindahan dahil mamaya may mga kwentong barangay din ako na.
Yes.
Ayan, pero
Ayos.
tanungin natin
Ay.
si Aldo. Game.
Ano ba yung
Ay.
tanong?
Ayun, bakit daw merong hindi
Tago na natin yung
pinayagan?
bagoong, baka mangamoy.
Ano na?
Maamoy nila yung bagoong ko.
Na-explain na attorney
Ah,
Harry?
cover
Kasi
natin.
on the headlines, nakasabi doon is bars, diba? Init.
Nangangamoy kasi itong
Hindi
bagoong.
naman sasabi ni Alvin. I think Alvin did that statement earlier na hindi siya live, parang extra sa video, na there are some situations that needs to be fixed. But then again, hindi naman tayo kasama sa pamilya ng mga Duterte.
Para hindi mga moist, spray natin ng pabango.
Sa mga abogado, information na na-feed sa atin, like sabi na
Okay.
mga is bar, according
Spray natin ng
the headlines
sweet pea.
sa interview ni Atty. Harry.
Yan.
Eh,
Para hindi mangamoy dito. Yan, ganyan.
forced to consume
Yan, oh.
kung ano yung
Diba?
sinabi.
Oh.
But other than that,
Oh,
kasi
oh, oh.
ako alam mo sabihin,
Pero walang amoy.
kalaban siya kasi sugar, ganyan.
Oh, di mabango. Maiba nilang ano, kumain tayo ng bagoong, hindi. Okay, that's it. Pampabango ng bagoong. Abush.